Today, we are on the east side of Orlando at a move-in ready and affordable home. This property is located less than 5 minutes away from all shopping, restaurants, major retail stores, hospitals, and also very close to the downtown area of Orlando. Is perfect for a first-time home buyer, someone looking to move down, or even an investor. The area has a very good location, and so you're going to get good rental income here. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this special home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be one of the very first ones to be notified when a new house comes on the market.